Hi everyone, welcome to the 12th video in the series of algorithm animations. Today I will cover a very important algorithm which is sliding window algorithm. And if you have not checked my playlist till now, you can check the playlist link in the description or by the I button in the top right corner. I am Shreyaans Jain. Let's start. So firstly we will see the problem statement. We need to calculate the maximum sum of k consecutive elements in the array, or you can also say find the maximum sum possible in a subarray of size k. Before jumping, let's see what is a subarray. Before jumping, let's see what is an subarray. Let's take this is an array and we need to take a subarray. So what is a subarray? A subarray is a contiguous part of the array. What does that means? It means that if we take this element as the starting element and this as the ending element, so we need to take all these elements. We cannot skip any element between that. Let's take example. This is an subarray because we have not skipped any element and it is a contiguous part. Is this a subarray? No, because we have skipped two elements and we cannot skip it. Is this now a subarray? Yes, it is a subarray because we have taken continuous element from 1 to 5. As always, now let's see the algorithm to get a quick overview of the animation which we will be seeing in a moment. We will make the window of size k and then we will slide that window. This much is only the algorithm part. Now let's see the animation. To see the animation, we are here taking an array and we need to find a maximum possible subarray of size 4. So let's start our animation. We discuss in our algorithm, we will first make a window of size k. We will take the first element in our window. So our size of the window will be 1, and since the value of the first element is 1, so our sum will also be 1. We need a window of size 4, so we will include more elements. We take this 4 and now the size will be 2 and sum will be 1 plus 4, that is 5. But 2 is also less than 4, so we will need more elements. We will take this 2 also. Since we have taken 2, so our size will be 3 and sum will be 1 plus 4 plus 2, that will be 7. 3 is less than 4, so we need one more element, so we will take this 10. Our size will now increment to 4 and sum will get an additional value of 10, so size is 4 and sum is 17. Now our window size is 4, so we will store this sum in the maximum sum. Because we have a window of size 4, now we can start storing maximum sum, and 17 is greater than int minimum, so we will update the maximum. We have completed our first step of the algorithm, which was making the window. Now our second step, sliding the window, we will do that. Let's slide it. See, in our sliding, we remove the last element and taken the next element. So in sliding, we are just removing the last element and taking the next element in our window. This is the way we slide, and in the whole process, our size remains constant, that is 4, but we have lost a 1 here and got a 2 here. So in total, we got 1. See, we got 17, was our previous sum. We lost 1, minus 1, and we got 2. So add 2. Now this sum is greater than the maximum sum. So we will update our max sum. Okay, so we will now slide the window. How we will slide? We will remove this element and we will take this element. Size is still constant and we have removed 4, so we will reduce our sum by 4, and we got 3, so we will increment our sum by 3. 18 was our previous sum, minus 4 because of we removed it, plus 3 because we got it. So 17 is less than maximum sum, we will not update it. Again, slide our window. We remove 2, so minus 2. We got 1, so add 1. Our sum now is 16, and 16 is less than 18. We will not update it. Again, slide. We lost minus 10 here and got 0. So sum will be 16 minus 10 plus 0. 6 is less than 18. We will not update our maximum sum. So we will slide again. We lost 2 here and got 20. We are at 6. We got 20 and we lost 2, and that is equals to 24, and 24 is greater than our maximum sum. We will update it, and then we will return our maximum sum. Now let's see the sliding window pseudocode of what we have done in our animation. This will give you a more understanding. We have this sum function which returns the maximum possible sum of a subarray of size k. We accept an array ARR. So we initialize our maximum sum, which is int minimum, which is the least possible value. And we have our sum equals to 0. We will do what we discussed in our algorithm. Firstly, we made an window of size k. So here I will make a window of size k. What I am doing here is I am making a window of size k. From I equals to 0, I less than k, I am iterating over the array and adding this sum. So when this loop over, I have iterated over k elements, so I have gotten a subarray of size k. And we will store that sum in our maximum sum, and then we will slide our window. We will add the value of the element which we are getting and subtract the value of the element which we are losing. And in that process, we are storing the max value in the max sum. And this is the whole loop which is sliding after making the window till the end of the array. And at last, we return the maximum sum. I again tell you the pseudocode in brief. We take the maximum sum with int minimum, the sum equals to 0, and then in this whole process I am making a sub array of size k, making the sum, adding the sum, and then I am storing the maximum sum in the maximum value, and then I am sliding the window till the end of the array. I am taking the ith element, which is the next element which I am taking, and removing the last element, and then storing it in the maximum sum, and then at last we are returning the maximum sum. This was sliding window pseudocode. I hope you must have liked the video, and if you have some doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to view more content like this. And if you have not subscribed till now, please subscribe. I am planning to make more videos in this series, and you will be benefited a lot from the animations.